From the dashboard, choose Functions, then Rota and Rounds. From the date selector, choose the first day of the first week you wish for your visits to appear, and then click Create New Round. You now need to enter the name of your round and click to create round. Locate the name of your round on the left hand side, click the name, and then on the right hand side of the page click Edit Round. You can use the filters on the right hand side to compress the visits. Here we are filtering visits by the region north, but you can also filter by the client name or type of visit. To place visits on the round, simply drag from the right onto the left hand side. Once a visit is placed onto the round, other visits which occur at the same time will disappear from the list on the right. If you add a visit to the round in error, just drag that visit from the left back onto the right side. The pop-up will ask you if this is to be permanent change or just for that particular day. Visits need to be added to the round day by day until you have completed an entire week. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and follow all of our social media platforms.